What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually about to head on over to Ace Cafe. It's Nissan night. It's been a while since I've been there, and I've had a few homies send me this the flyer for it. So, figured to go ahead and hop out. I believe Ryan, he's gonna be there. Brandon might come through, and I believe Franz might as well. I don't know if he's gonna be able to make it. He has a few things to do, but we're gonna see who else we see there as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's head on over there. All right, so I usually only park here when the car is dirty, so you already know what's up. Definitely a little dirty here. All right, so just made it here. Still pretty early. It's been going on for about an hour. Look at this Altima with the Tesla wheels. Definitely check them out. Sort of park close to the Maxima because the homie Ryan will probably be here and he'll probably park right there. He's bagged as well. Makes sense. The straight Tesla wheels though. But we got some pretty cool cars here, so we're gonna go ahead and go over those. There we go. Got this 350Z. Loving this Q50. Got a few others who aren't quite with the squad, but hey, they decided to come out and support. Looking good. Where you at, Mike? Those, I'm gonna have to get those. Love those colors. And another homie there. All right. 240 squad. Still kind of want one. Not as much as I used to. Oh, you're good. Thank you. Haha. Look what we have here. So, look at that. Think I've ever seen one of these in person. At least not that I've noticed. Clean, zinky. This one caught my eye when I first rolled in, of course. You know how I feel about the Skylines and the GTRs. Not a GTR. Definitely looking good. Looking good.
He's got the exhaust going.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I was down this way. I didn't get all the cars yet, but of course that's clean. But look at this. Very nice. And he got tire on it. There's a R34 over there I'm gonna have to get, but I still wanted to finish over here as well. So we're definitely gonna do that. Don't usually see too many verts out, but that's definitely looking good. And homie, Static Life and not bagged. He did tell me don't get too close because of the weather, but definitely clean. Now these look good. That color, definitely feeling it. I've seen this one at a few meets. Still pretty early, like I said, not a lot of people out and about yet. So I'm not sure if I got it on camera. The homie Ryan came in. He's over here. Oh, and we have a new addition to the trunk setup. Yes. See it. It's definitely gonna look a lot better at night, but let me know what you guys think. Definitely had to come over here. It's off in a cut. Definitely should be in the front. But nobody's really parked at the front yet. So I'm not sure who's even hosting this one. I'm not sure. And the Frontier over there, as you saw. But yeah, it's nope, not really many people here yet. Didn't see this one come in. Or air out. This pulled in recently. Alright, so we didn't really have a lot of people show up for this one because it looked like it was gonna rain, so that might have been why. But here we are at the end. And I pretty much got all of the cars for the most part. I think there's a couple down here I didn't get. Maybe one actually. But for the most part, I got everything. The one that I wanted to show is this one. Didn't get this one. And I don't think I got this one. Didn't get this one. Actually, I don't know. It's been blending together. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video though. But before we do, I'm gonna do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you might be selected. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. And as always, stay fit. Peace. There we go. Got it. Got it. Yeah, this is clean. Black rainbow. I don't know if you can see that. But look how clean it is. I know I already ended the video, but I'm gonna throw this clip in before I end the video. Cause I don't know why I didn't see this one. Mortician. Super clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's clean too.